open to my vlog. My name is Isabella, and we're going home because this is not our house. Yeah. So I'm going to the car. I'm going to the car. No. Maybe later. So this is our house, but that's not my house. It's a Hyatt because there's lights. Look at our road. Let's go to the garage. Parking of my car. Ouch! Let's go back. So let's go. Wait. Now I'll come back. I'm here. Grandpa.
Tiisin mo yan, be.
Let me on the ride.
Nice, ang tuhod nice. Ipiko gamay ang kiting maipit.
Hey.
Tuhod ha.
Bye-bye. Bye,
Have si
Ra.
Teresa ready 1, 2, 3.
Look at Rafa.